Well, it's in that weird flux situation of time in which, you know, it's not winter, but it's also not spring. It's raining. So April showers bring no ice fishing and no open water fishing and just a waiting game. So let's make some lures. That's what's happening. So yeah, it snowed again last night, and yeah, it's just a slushy mess out there. But inside, we are making lures. I'm going to be making this. It's kind of like a musky style lure, but very small. It's not big enough to really be a musky lure, but it's going to be a simple build. It's going to have like a little curly tail, grub tail thing on the end. Let's get into it. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Let's go. All right, so this bad boy is going to be about 3 inches long and about 2 inches wide on its profile. And then I also drew up the tippity top, what the top is down going to look like. So it's very aerodynamic, or rather hydrodynamic. And then at the end of the lure itself, I'm going to do one of those little spring connectors so I can twist on like a ribbon tail worm and give it a little fluttery action on the tail end here. Big old eye, and it's just gonna be like awesome. You might not know this. This is balsa. Balsa is extremely light, very buoyant, and really easy to carve, kind of. And what I mean by that is that, like, you just put a knife to it and it falls apart. So, details. Do not use balsa for details. This lure, the one that I'm making here, not detailed at all. It'd be great for balsa. However, I kind of hate balsa because drilling into it also causes it to crumble and break apart. So this eye is a concern. Now you can get around that by sealing it up with like super glue, and then you can drill into it because it seems to hold together better. But I think I'm gonna stay away from the balsa and stick with the basswood. It carves a lot better. It's a harder wood. It holds details better. It's not the best wood, but it's what I got, and this will fit into that little chunk. Reduce, reuse, recycle. What if I could do my steps in just 2 steps? Here we go. Oh, God. Okay. I think that was a step too far. Here we go. Okay. The riveting part of the video where I glue it. Hot glue it to it. Ooh. Hot glue on my thumb. Yay. Glue it all together now. It's like a half pipe. Helps with the sound effects. You all know that. Not a great one. Okay, it's glued, and then this goes on top. I just make sure I line it up with the design. So many thumbs up. I always thumbs up. Thumbs up. So on second look, I mean, I love the uniformity of this. It's very hydrodynamic. However, I think I want to differentiate the top from the bottom a little bit more, and remove some of the bulk in this tail area, in the stomach, if you will. So I kind of drew this in, and I'm just going to carve away basically this section here, and this tells me where I want it to taper, and yeah, so I'm going to do that. That's his mentality.